हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इजी कुकिंग विद एकता। आज बहुत ही इजी एंड सिंपल होम रेमेडी लेकर आई हूँ मैं। दिस इज़ फॉर डार्क सर्कल्स एंड आई ऑल्सो फेस विद द सेम प्रॉब्लम, बट इट्स वेरी इजी टू डिफाइन योर अंडर आई एरिया। और ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स हमें मार्केट में मिलते हैं, डेफिनेटली टू सम एक्सटेंट दे हेल्प, बट नेचुरल रेमेडीज़ गिव यू अ लॉन्गर रिलीफ। एंड देन ये थोड़ा चीप भी पड़ता है, घर में इजीली अवेलेबल भी है। इफ यू ट्राई यूजिंग देम ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, all these products which I'm going to talk about, I think you'll see a remarkable difference in your under eye area. Let's talk about it. The first product is the coffee powder. Any coffee powder जो आप घर में यूज़ करते हैं, you can use it. अगर डेली यूज़ करना है then you can take less than half a teaspoon of coffee powder, which would be mixed with aloe vera gel. I'm going to show you how this happens. Then the second product here is potato. What we're going to do is we're going to peel this potato and we're going to grate this potato, और इसका जो जूस होगा उसको हम एलोवेरा जेल के साथ मिक्स अप करेंगे. Let me just show you how to make both these paste, and you can apply them daily either in the morning or overnight. This pack works overnight and the morning one is this one. Let's get started. Quantity you need to take. I've gotten up this set from Miniso. It's a very good set. ये आपको मिल जाता है easily for your facial kits and all. So इसमें आपको quantity डालनी है 2.5 ml as per that spoon or half a teaspoon. Now I'm going to squeeze in a bit of aloe vera gel. That's all. And now I'm going to mix all of them. This is done. इसे आप अप्लाई करें अंडर आई में ड्यूरिंग द नाइट टाइम. ओवरनाइट छोड़ दें इसको. अगर आपको वॉशअप करना है देन आफ्टर 20 minutes you can remove this pack. Just not under eye, it can also brighten up your face. If you apply this pack daily, it will definitely show you magical results. Now here's the second pack of the day. This is potato. I've just grated this potato, as you can see this. I'm going to squeeze out the juice out of this potato now. Juice में again I'm going to add some aloe vera gel. इसी में हम aloe vera gel डालेंगे. इस तरह से बन जाएगा. This is a good quantity for one time application. So this is what you need to do in the morning time before you take a shower. आप ये juice लगा दें, leave it for about half an hour, and then wash it with normal water, normal cold water. And this remedy can also be replicated in the night time. If you do not have coffee, apply this pack twice a day. It will also give you magical results. I hope you liked both the videos. If you have, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.